Here we are here at Playa Hatillo. Got some ocean view villas nestled into the jungle here. Sitting at an altitude of about 700 feet above sea level. Here we have a one-bedroom villa suite. It's a private pool and grilling area. Well, here we have plenty of parking. And we have two one-bedroom villas. This is an upper one-bedroom villa with a upstairs rancho. And actually downstairs is a small two-bedroom villa and a pool table set up. This could be a conversion to a bed and breakfast. Also could run some sort of a tour company. Got an easy location right off the highway. Two-wheel drive access. Has a small caretaker's quarters apartment here. And entrance right off the public road.